Hello from Jelisaveta, my name is Ali. In this video, we are going to work on our pronunciation and vocabulary. We will look around Cape Town and practice common objects that we can find in a city. Let's go! Building, bus station, train station, airport, subway, gas station, apartment building, office building, skyscraper, hotel, bank, restaurant, cafe, bakery, hospital, church, cathedral, post office, school, bookstore, library, museum, cinema, shopping mall, supermarket. Ukoliko želite da vam izgovor bude što bolji, obratite pažnju na izgovor sljedećih riječi. Bank, gas. Otvorite usta za a izgovorite e. Bank, gas. Cathedral, th, izgovaramo kao meko vazdušasto t. Vrh jezika stavljamo između prednjih zuba i guramo vazduh. Cathedral. Subway, duplo v, izgovaramo tako što zaokruglimo usne. Subway. Toliko od mene za ovu lekciju. Thank you for watching. See you soon.